Okay, so we continue with another example. Find the critical points of the curve and determine their nature using first derivative test. Okay, so what is the difference between the previous example, okay, and this example? Okay, so the previous example is we want to determine the function whether increasing or decreasing on the interval. So but now we want to find the critical point. Okay, now we want to find the critical point. Is it slightly different with the previous example? Alright, so given fx is equal to x squared minus 4x minus 1. Okay, the first thing is we want to find the critical value. So how to find the critical value? So you have to differentiate. Okay, differentiate the function first. Okay, you got what? Differentiate x squared, you got 2x, okay, minus 4, okay? And then how to find the critical value? Okay, so critical value occur at f prime x is equal to 0. So this one, okay, equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, so next, what is next? Okay, we want to find what is x lah. Okay, you jadikan 2x as a subject. So 2x is equal to 4. So what is x? X is equal to 2. So 2 here is actually your critical value. Okay, critical value. So how to find the critical point? Okay, to find the critical point, you have to substitute the critical value into the original function, into here. Okay, into here. Substitute the critical value into the original function. So when x is equal to 2, okay, f2 equal to 2 square minus 4 times 2 minus 1. Okay, so 2 square 4 minus 4 times 2, 8 minus 1. Okay, so equal to what? Minus 5, isn't it? Minus 5. Right? So, what is the critical point? Therefore, okay, therefore, the critical point is, okay, 2, negative 5. Okay, that's the answer. And you are also, okay, asked to determine the nature by using the first derivative test. Okay, so we have the critical point 2, negative 5. So how to find the nature of the function by using first derivative test? Nature ni maksud dia apa? Okay, kita nak tengok sama ada the function is increasing or decreasing. Itu adalah nature dah. Okay, so how to use a first derivative test? Sama macam semalam, you have to construct a table. So the element of table mesti ada x. Okay, what is x? Okay, x yang you cari tadi. Okay, x yang awak cari tadi. Okay, x yang awak cari tadi adalah apa? X is equal to, okay, 2 isn't it? So 2, bila 2 you kena, saya kata, you kena apa? You kena consider before 2 and after 2. Because we want to see the behavior, okay, of the function. Right? So, okay, so sebelum 2, so means that x less than 2 After 2 is x greater than 2. So what's next? Kita nak tengok f prime x. Okay, kita nak tengok f prime x. Okay. Okay, what is f prime x? F prime x apa tadi? Okay, 2x minus 4. Okay, you have x less than 2. X less than 2. Okay. So paling senang untuk you ambil x is equal to 0 lah. Sebab apa? Sebab paling senang. Okay, 2 times 0, 0. So minus 4 negatif lah. So kat sini you dapat negative. Okay, you consider x less than 2. You boleh ambil 1, you boleh ambil negative 1, but like I said, it is much easier for you, okay, to consider x is equal to 0. 0 less than 2, isn't it? Okay, so substitute into f prime x, so you got negative lah. Okay, how about x greater than 2? So x greater than 2 maksudnya 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until positive infinity. So like I said in the previous slide, okay, choose the lowest value, okay, yang paling dekat dengan critical value lah. Okay, so x greater than 2, so saya ambil 3. So kalau x is equal to 3, substitute dalam ni 2 times 3, 6 minus 2, minus 4, 2, right? So you akan dapat positive here. So what is the third element dalam first derivative test ni? Dia adalah slope. Okay, mesti you kena ada 3 elements ni. X, which is your critical value, f prime x, okay, and then you punya slope. Okay, slope. Kalau negative, slope dia decreasing. Kalau positive, slope dia increasing. Okay, so kita nak determine the nature. So therefore, okay, critical point tadi adalah 2, negative 5, isn't it? Is a maximum or minimum point? Look at this slope. Okay, mula-mula dia turun, decreasing, and then after that dia increasing. So it's a minimum point. Okay. That's the answer. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. Alright. Okay, so we move to the next. Okay. Okay, we move to the next example. Find the critical points of the curve and determine their nature using first derivative. Okay, sama je. Okay, alright. So, we want to find the critical point. So you have to differentiate first. Okay, so differentiate f prime x is equal to, okay, 1/3. Okay, so 3 turun depan, so habis. So dia akan jadi x square sahaja. Minus 3 times 2, 6x. Okay, plus 8. Alright, so we want to find the critical value. So critical value occur, critical point occur at, okay, f prime x is equal to 0. Okay, f prime x is equal to 0. So this one equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. Okay, so this one you can factorize lah. X, okay, x, okay, equal to 0. Okay, 8 kan? So 4 dengan 2, you boleh letak kat sini 2, you boleh letak kat sini 4. Okay, boleh dua-dua. Okay, alright. So nak letak simbol sebab ni negatif, so ini positif, so sini dua-dua negatif lah. Okay, alright. So here x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. That is the critical values. Okay, values lah sebab you have more than one. Okay. Okay, so next we want to find the critical point, right? So critical point, okay, at x is equal to 2, you nak start dengan x is equal to 4 pun is okay, right? So saya lebih suka start dengan number yang paling kecil, ya. X is equal to 2, so masuk balik dalam original function, ya. Masuk balik dalam original function of 2, so 1 over 3, 2 cube minus 3, 2 square plus 8 times 2 plus 1. Okay, so here is 1 over 3, 2 cube adalah 8, okay, minus 2 square, 4 times 3, 12, plus 8 times 2, 16, plus 1. Okay, so here adalah 8 over 3, negative, okay, 12 plus 16 plus 1, okay, plus 5. So what's the answer? Okay, what's the answer? Aduh, ni. Okay, so the answer is 23 over 5. Okay, that is x is equal to 2. You have another critical value, okay, which is x at x is equal to 4, then f4 equal to 1 over 3, okay, 4 cube minus 3 times 4 square plus 8 times 4 plus 1, okay. Right, so this one adalah 64 over 3 minus, okay, 4 square 16 times 3, 48 plus 32 plus 1. Okay. Okay. So the answer is 19 over 3. Okay. Okay, so the answer is 19 over 3. Okay, therefore, okay, the critical points are, okay, 2, 23 over 5 in, okay, 4, 19 over 3. Okay, so now we want to find the nature of the function, okay, by using first derivative test. So you have to construct a table lah. So before that you can understand this one, you ada 2 dan 4. Okay, sini 2 lah, smallest, highest, 2 dan 4. So for first derivative test, you have to consider the behavior before 2, in between 2 and 4, and also the behavior of the function after 4. Okay, so construct a table. First of all, you mesti consider x lah. So x ni you kena faham daripada konsep ni. Okay. Okay, so before 2, so x less than 2. Okay, so in between, okay, 2 and 4, and also after 4. Okay, so what is f prime x. Okay, so x less than 2. So saya kata paling senang kalau you consider 0. Okay, 0. So apa kita punya function? Sorry, f prime x. Apa kita punya function tadi? Okay, this one x square minus 6x plus 8, right? So masuk x less than 2. Saya kata x less than 0 lah. Okay, katakan. Kalau you masuk okay, selain pada 0, negative 1 ke, negative 10 ke, you still akan dapat jawapan yang sama. Okay, so kalau you masuk 0, okay, kalau you masuk 0, okay, 0 minus 6 times 0, 0 plus 8. So akan jadi positive here. Okay, so in between 2 and 4, okay, 3 lah. Okay, 3, better yang ambil integer. Okay, integer, nombor bulat lah. Okay, 3, so positive ke negative? Okay, 3 square 9 minus, okay, 6 times 3. Okay, minus 6 times 3. 6 kali 3, okay, 18. 9 minus 18 plus 8. So you akan dapat negative value here. Okay, kalau sini x greater than 4, so saya ambil yang paling dekat, which is a 5 lah. Okay, 5. 5 square 25 minus 5 times 6, 30 plus 8. Okay, you akan dapat positive. Alright, so next is the slope. Okay, that is the slope. Okay, so x less than 2, okay, positive, slope dia increasing lah. Okay, this one function dia negative, slope dia decreasing. This one positive, slope dia of course increasing. Okay, so what can you conclude now? So the, okay, critical points apa? 2, okay, 23 over 5. Sorry dear, dekat sini saya salah. Sorry, saya baru perasan. 23 over 3. Here pun sama. Allahu Akbar. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, saya baru perasan kat sini 23 over 3 actually. So the critical points are 2, 23 over 3 and 4 over 19. Okay. So sini pun sama. The critical point, okay, 23 over 3, okay, is a, kalau you tengok sini, maximum or minimum, increasing then decreasing is a maximum point, and the point for 19 over 3 is a, okay, decrease and then increase, okay, is a minimum point. Okay, we are done.